Hello everyone, Hatam from Projection. I'm back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you this awesome, beautiful Pomax Pro. This is selfie and monopod, okay? You cannot call this tripod because now I'm going to explain for you the difference between tripod and monopod, because a lot of people they don't know the difference between the tripod and monopod. Anyway guys, this is one of the best selfies that you will ever hold in your hand. Quality and nice and not that expensive, you know. You can get it with $50 or $30, something like that, according. You can see here there is 90 centimeter and there is 50 centimeter, so you have to be careful in your choice. Anyway, let's unbox this bad boy and see what is inside. Hey, did you subscribe? Subscribe right now!
It smells like power!
Okay guys, as you see here, there is application you can download it, so you can raise your hand and close this will take selfie without you touching anything, or you can say capture. And we have here the cool controller that you can make zoom in out in normal video or photo. You can turn to video, front camera, double click to the front camera, rear camera. You can press to snap. You can even open video in your phone without you touching your phone. This is awesome. You can stop, record, zoom in out in video and audio. This is amazing. Because it's Bluetooth, okay? And the cool thing, guys, see that you can do it even like this. See, this is awesome, to be honest with you. See, as you see here, selfie pro, shutter clip, carry bag, hand strip. This one, by the way, it's beautiful package. To be honest with you guys, it's really so beautiful package. Okay, we have the hand strip. Okay, it's awesome, written in Pomax. We have here the controller bottom. By the way, it's thick battery. Okay, we will see this. It's Bluetooth, you know. It's worked by Bluetooth. Okay, we have the selfie itself. Let it be now, and let's unbox. You have here the catalogs, you know, they explain you how to connect, how to do. By the way, there is 4 colors, you have to know that. There is blue, yellow, pink, black, and there is gold. Gold mixed with brown. I prefer the gold with brown, but I didn't find it, honestly. This is the holder for the controller, you know. You will put it like this and stick it with your selfie, you understand me? We have here we have battery here for the controller, you know, and we have here the back. Too bad guys that you know what's missing in this selfie. I mean, this is such a shame that you don't do something like this. Too bad that there is no stander for the, you know, this 3 legs stander for this monopod, you know, and too shame. Why they didn't have, why is not including the stander, you know, that I can do it like this so I can use it to stand, for example, to record on my channel or stuff like that. Why I have to buy it external? I mean, don't give me this bag, but give me the standard, you know, for be better than this bag. But anyway, quality is nice, to be honest with you guys. Quality is amazing, and the skin is kind of luxury, you know. See, like this now, it's closed, as you see. Okay, here like this now, it's closed. You open like this, and you grab it. And then again, you turn it right, okay, and you grab more. I'm gonna show you now by different angle of camera because it's too big, you cannot see. Okay guys, let me explain you how to open this. Now you open like this, okay? You turn it to the right, and you go up. You turn it again to the right, you go up. You turn it to the right, you go up. You turn it to the right, you go up. Wow, guys, see, it's nice. Not me.
Oh shit! Everybody calm down, just calm down. This is part of the demonstration. Just calm, relax. Everything's under control.
Guys, see, it's 90 centimeter. Are you kidding me? Listen to me guys, how to open this, okay? Now you turn it to the right, okay? And you open it, okay? You turn to the right, you turn to the right, you turn to the right, okay? See guys how long it is? Wow, 90 centimeter. How to lock it? Turn to the left. Now you open, turn to the left. In here, turn to the left, here, turn to the left, to the last one, turn it to the left. It's now it will hold, you know. This one, I tried with iPhone 13 Pro Max, you know. It's It's enough for iPhone 13 Pro Max. You know guys, I have the selfie Bezos that I done review about in my video. He scratched the cover of my iPhone 13 Pro Max. It sucks here. Shame on Bezos, honestly, I don't like it. You know guys, I bought the original cover for iPhone, you know. This clear case, you know. So I put the iPhone 13 Pro Max with the cover 3 times. I tried. I looked at the cover, it scratched it from the selfie, this Bezos that I done video about before. Don't buy this trash. Trust me, buy this one, it's the best, and quality and everything, to be honest with you. See guys, it's too, and quality is amazing, you know, and extra, see, you can do it like this, to put phone and take it like this, see? Call of Duty Mobile. Follow my channel guys. I don't know. Move. Subscribe. Subscribe. Turn again, turn again, turn again, turn again, and here we go. Now you want to close it, you close it like this. So anyway, to be honest with you guys, I like everything, just the only thing that I didn't like it, the quality is amazing, the skin gives so beautiful shape, and it's solidary, and if you want it as selfie, it's so amazing to take it and snap outside. If you want it as monopod, it's also amazing. Which guys, instead of this bag, they give the standard. I mean, I don't need this bag so much as I mean, I need standard, you got me? You can use it for SLR camera, even if your camera is Nikon or Canon, I mean, it's heavy camera. It's according to the standard that you're gonna buy. If you buy nice standard, I mean nice quality, and you stick it well, you can put any SLR camera. See, you can move this one for phone, and now we have it for SLR camera. This is so beautiful. See guys, the standard, you put it like this, see? It's not big deal, you know? You can put it anywhere you want. For example, I'm gonna put it here, like this. Okay? And now you will download the application, you will let it bear it with your phone, and you can from far away from here, zoom in, out, do like raise your hand and capture. I can do another video for you guys if you want, about how to use it. But to be honest with you guys, it's really amazing. I don't have any complaint about this selfie. And you can call it selfie and monopod in the same time. It's beautiful. I mean, to be honest with you, don't compare it with this cheap selfie stacks, this Huawei, Bezos, and all this is trash, guys. To be honest with you, don't even spend your money for these selfies. If you want to buy something once for all, buy this Pro Max Selfie Pro. By the way, guys, the Selfie Pro 5 and 6. If you want it with standard, I ordered Pro Max Selfie Pro 6. I'm gonna do a video about it soon, but I ordered a gold color. I found gold, yeah! So you know guys, I will order, it's have standard and also have selfie stack. It's amazing. This one I will keep it for example, for hangout, to have just fun and take selfie stacks and like this. And the other one I'm gonna keep it for my channel, you know. But I advise you guys, once again, don't spend your money for like this. I'm gonna show you the packaging, you know. This is Huawei selfie stack. Garbage. This is Bezos, you know, Bezos. I did video about it before. How he stand there like this, guys. It's trash. Especially if you have a huge flagship phone like S21 Ultra, Note 21 Ultra, iPhone 13 Pro Max, and these big phones, you know. For example, like Huawei now, the P50 that will appear soon, 6.8 screen or 7.2. I don't know. It's a huge phone. This one will destroy your phone, you know, and he will press too much on your phone. He will scratch it. If you scratch your cover, like what happened in my in the 13 Pro Max cover, you know, he scratched it complete. So don't spend your money. You know, guys, this is cost $35. It's not cheap, you know. Better you buy this one, more luxury, more beautiful, and almost same price, you know. I advise you, don't spend your money ever in any kind of selfies. This is the best and the same price. By the way, guys, did you mention something? Why they stuck with each other? See? I tried to grab it, now it's not. Maybe they become lovers. They stay together behind me a lot of time, they become lovers. The cartoons, and maybe in the future they're gonna create small cartoons. Who knows? Maybe. Anyway guys, don't let me use my kung fu with you. Don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like my video. And we will see you in another video with Hakim from Egyptian. Peace and love and money for all of you. And I know money is the most important for you. Gotcha.